Welcome back. In this lesson, we focus on using AI to research content ideas. You will evaluate the best AI tools for idea generation. You will learn how AI identifies trending topics before they peak. And you will apply AI-powered methods to uncover untapped opportunities in your niche. This lesson will help you produce content with higher demand and lower competition. Section 1. Why AI for research matters. YouTube rewards creators who understand what audiences want. Traditional research methods can be slow and incomplete. AI speeds up research and reveals insights humans might miss. AI tools can analyze patterns. What people are talking about today. What topics are gaining interest? What content viewers click next? Where competition is weaker. Creators who use AI make decisions based on data, not guesswork. Section 2. Best AI tools for content research. Here are AI tools that are highly effective for YouTube content planning. 1. ChatGPT or similar AI assistants. Brainstorm unlimited topic variations. Refine ideas for specific viewer intent. Generate structures and angles for videos. 2. AI keyword tools. Examples include TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Google Keyword Planner. They identify exact search terms viewers use. They also reveal competition level and ranking difficulty. 3. Trend tracking tools. Google Trends shows rising searches over time. YouTube Trends dashboard highlights top topics by region. BuzzSumo and social listening tools detect what is gaining attention online. 4. AI audience insight tools. They analyze comments and community behavior. They uncover which questions viewers repeatedly ask. Each tool supports smarter and faster topic decisions. Section 3. Identifying trending topics using AI. AI helps detect trends early. Early timing leads to first-mover advantages. Less competition, more visibility, faster growth. Here is a simple strategy. Step 1. Analyze search trends using Google Trends. Step 2. Compare demand and competition using keyword tools. Step 3. Ask an AI assistant for potential subtopics viewers want next. Step 4. Validate by checking what related videos are currently missing. If a topic is rising and there is no strong video covering it, this is an opportunity. Section 4. Discovering untapped content opportunities. AI can help locate gaps in the market. These are topics with demand but few helpful videos. Here are signals of untapped opportunities. Viewers ask questions in comments that no video answers. Search terms show demand but low content supply. Existing videos have high views but poor satisfaction signals. Examples: low like ratio, unclear titles, outdated information. Use AI to break down broad topics into micro-content. Example: main topic, English literature. Micro-opportunities, Shakespeare exam preparation videos. Literary devices explained in 1 minute. Short summaries of key plays. These fill specific needs that viewers actively search. Micro-targeted videos build authority faster. Section 5. Workflow for AI-powered content research. Here is a repeatable workflow you can practice. 1. List core topics of your channel. 2. Use AI tools to generate related questions viewers ask. 3. Identify rising keywords with low competition. 4. Research what competing videos did well and what they missed. 5. Create a video that solves the missing need better and faster. This workflow ensures every video has a purpose and a high chance of strong performance. Follow these and you will rock! In the next lesson, we will continue exploring tricks that shape your channel.